What's up, fellas? Welcome back. We are going to continue our work on our Zvezda 1/72nd scale MI24A HIND. As you can tell, I did some more off-camera work. Basically, I got this tacky putty at I think it was Hobby Lobby, yeah, and it was like $3, and you get like four long sticks of it. And I used that to plug up all the places I don't want paint getting. Then I also used it to temporarily stick the doors and these other hatches and stuff shut, because we're going to do the version 1 of this where everything's open so we can see all the detail that I worked hard on doing. So I did some more putty work where I said I was, and I attached these for those little rocket missile thingies that are on there. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get some paint on this. As you can tell, I actually did some paint. I wanted to make sure this color looks good for me. If I remember, I'll flash a picture of the reference I'm using color-wise and model-wise for this build. So I'm going to get my airbrush out, and we're going to get some airbrushing done here. Alright, I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and we'll come back. I'm going to flip it around and get another coat on the bottom. All right, I think that's going to be pretty good for the paint job. It's pretty dry. Pretty satisfied with the color. I'm going to come back and do the camouflage in the next episode. We'll work on that and working on getting the wheels, yeah, landing gears and all that done up on it really good. I'll go ahead and get all the tape off. Actually, no, I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a clear coat, but I'll do that off camera. Hit it with some clear coat. That way we can do decal work and all that too. Actually, nope, won't be able to do clear coat yet because I got to get all the camouflage work done to it first. Then we'll do clear coat. So I think we're looking pretty good here. Flip around the bottom again. Alrighty. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it for this episode, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you liked what you see and want to continue on with this series, hit that subscribe button. And leave me some comments down below. See, give me some tips, see what I'm doing wrong, or if you got any constructive criticism, I appreciate it. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.